students. Okay, today we will be doing the topic refraction of light. Okay, we studied reflection of light, right, in the previous portion of the chapter, and from now onwards, okay, we'll be studying about refraction. Okay, reflection and refraction, those are the two different terms. Okay, refraction. Okay, refraction means the bending of light ray, okay, while entering from one medium to another. Reflection, whereas that meant the bending of light ray towards the same medium on striking the smooth surface. Okay, what is the main difference is, say I'll be drawing a diagram here and I'll be telling you. Okay, see, this is for example a smooth surface. Okay, for example this is a smooth surface. So whenever we talk about smooth surface, you imagine that of a plain mirror that we use in our daily life. All right, okay, and now you see a light is striking the smooth surface, right, and then it is going back with the same in a same medium. All right, see, this is air, right, and this is also air. Now in between the two there is another line which is 90 degree to the surface, and it is known as normal. Okay, why do we draw a normal is because, see, if there was no line like this, okay, how will I know my angle of incidence and how will I know my angle of reflection, right? Isn't it? That means from here to here is my angle of incidence, and from here to here is my angle of reflection. Okay, but what is refraction is, you see the line is there. Okay, this is not a smooth surface. Okay, this is not a smooth surface. For example, a flat glass you take. Okay, and see, where as soon as this is a flat glass, thick glass. Okay, as soon as what we are doing, we are hitting the light on it, then what is happening, the light is bending towards the normal. For example, now this is normal, right? Now this light should have gone this side, but it will bend this side. Okay, and then it will hit this again. Okay, and in this case, which one is normal? This is normal, and it will go away. Okay, that means you don't notice the thing bending towards the normal or away the normal. Okay, that is not into your, that you people will not get that right now. Okay, I'll be explaining you in and out of that, but you just notice what is the difference between the two things. Okay, here what was happening, the light came and it struck the surface and it went to the same medium, but here after the light is striking the glass, it is entering the glass from the air. This is air, and now the light is entering the glass, right? So there will be some changes in the path of the light. Okay, and now you can question me, in this case light is not entering, but in this case light is entering. Why is that so, ma'am? Isn't it? That is because, see, here there is a shiny surface. Shiny surface means the surface like mirror. What happens if you hit a ray of light in a mirror? Obviously it will reflect back. Okay, but what happens if you hit a light on a glass, normal glass? It will enter the glass, right? And after entering the glass, it will again go to the air. Okay, there is a glass. Okay, there is a window, for example, and if you are lighting a torch, okay, through the window, then what happens, that light will enter the room also, isn't it? After entering the glass, that light will enter the room also, isn't it? That means the light is passing through that medium, that is refraction. Okay, and when the light is not passing, okay, just striking and going back, okay, that is reflection. Okay, I hope you got the term. All right.